Let's do it. This guy's been great, but to him, riding on these back roads is the same as riding on the street, and to me, it is not. Now this like hard packed limestone, like you see, he's all the way up there. You know, he's also ridden these, so he does it every week. But this hard packed limestone is good. That like to a novice like myself, that center gravel strip can fuck your world up. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, he's just butt fucking it. Butt fucking it. The fuck was that? He's just going crazy through here. Man, I just don't want to drop my damn bike. This is so much heavier to pick up. I've only dropped it twice now, I think, but a couple times he saved me. So. I wish the weather would decide what the fuck it's doing and preferably stop raining. Wonder if he's waiting on me or messing with his GoPro. Maybe a little bit of both. But he always stands up, which is crazy. I mean, it's probably better on his legs because he's got 2 rods, like from his hip to his knee and from his knee to his ankle, I think. Because he said using MX riding boots messes with the screws in his ankle. And that is not something I want. I want all the adventure and hopefully none of the actual physical pain. Emotional pain, financial pain, sure, but none of the physical pain. I haven't broken a bone yet, and I'd like to keep it that way. All this loose gravel. Well, by the time I get to South America, I'll be a seasoned pro, hopefully. A lot of screw-ups along the way. I wonder if Insta360 is voice activated. Because, like, it has to like kind of always be on for him to be able to say GoPro turn on. That is a nice feature. And the fact that, as far as I know, it's not possible. But yeah, we're just putting along. It's still fun, it's still cool. Stuff I would have never have done had it not been for a coworker in China saying if you had to hitchhike through Europe again, you'd buy a motorbike. And then we started talking about this, and I was like, well, I was thinking about heading to Latin America to teach English next. I just spent 3 years in Asia teaching it, so why not give it a go? So, however, I do now know that I cannot do the TAD on my own. It'll just maybe some of the BDRs, because BDRs are like this, unmaintained roads and logging roads, but the TAD is a lot of truly off-road roads. I was telling me one part out west, there was like a rail or a cliff or something, and he had to literally like slide his bike through this part, like while it was laying on the ground to get through. I don't know what I'm having problems with shifting. Oh, see? Because it's on I'm in first. Maybe I should start counting my gears again. How are we looking? That way? No. This way? Oh. See, this gravel's where you drop it. Aw, man. I'm telling you, ever since you lubed up my clutch, it's been fucking with me. But this is also the most technical riding I've done since I started this venture. I've been basically just taking back roads. Nothing like we just did. Some popping. I don't know if that's from the ethanol gas. That's when it seemed to start with me, but I haven't had, heck, I don't think I've had non-ethanol gas since I left Salem. Maybe once. But it's been, yeah, because if it had been more than once, I would have filled up that other can, which I guess it's good last night that I didn't. Why am I fucking grinding gears? That is not good. That's 100% new. And again, I have nothing to compare it to. It was either just that roughing through it, or so I definitely think I need to lube my chain after this. Probably need to clean it too. Looks like we might be turning around again. Man, am I glad I didn't do this alone. welcome to nowhere. Population 2.
Sorry, don't go on my GPS. It's not turn by turn, and it's like my whole screen's turning. So
Wow.
I gotta guess like left to right.
That's fine. No worries. Oh. Yeah, this is much more of an gnarly road. Okay. I have no clue where we are. I think we're trying to get to a place called Peabody's. The Peabody? I don't know. City. I don't know what it is. Shop, city, restaurant? I don't know. I think it's a city. Just beautiful area. Again, it's crazy how much she stands. Insta 360, stop recording. 1RS, stop recording. No, it doesn't work. So that's definitely a nifty feature. This looks like a straight up turn.